Guys, we are delivering fish today. Okay, let's go. Woohoo! Hi guys, so I just got out from the store delivering our fish. Sibonin, pata-pata po. Saka pata-pata. Oh, wait. Anyways, I got me something really special. Yara to sa atin. Kikwag. Hot dog. My favorite. This is for Jenner. I got some. This is like, for some reason, this is her favorite drink. Maria got a tuxari, got a bubbles. And also, her chips and her Oishi pillows chocolate. Sefesiria por Oriana. Pura something. Si podían puzzare e poi poi capivati era puzza farò mia mami caffè ricca. Mi hanno dato qui qua. I'll see you guys when I get back home. Okay? Bye. I just saw a chicken scratch. The lighting here is so on point. This morning I didn't record. I was going to, but then I was so busy. I was busy. I didn't have time to record. Now I was tawang nga I was really. Now I was saying, and plus I had to take care of January. Do our Kukaran, and then back to Ray Sunday. So I didn't record. But hopefully I get time to record. Look at the lighting. Oh my god, I'm so pretty.
Oh my god! Wow! Oh my god!
I don't know. Gusto niya gawa to fason. Ako sa papay ako record. Like, film a video for you guys. Natulog ko ya PC. Tawang nga yan. Ngamit ka na tsotsori. Ugago mo. Nakapasari na pusik ka to. Kikawe karatakiri ki wakapatakir. Pusik ren. Kaberatong wakapakeji. Pusunge. Kappa med tipi-tiping och tipi-tipet. Medan jag ska vara med video här i YouTube. Jag kan sucka ton ikavero Chukis YouTuber. Jag har varit KM3. Shout out to you guys. Jimrin suka. Caray, now I always say papa. But really, I wanted a YouTuber. Yeah, porque me pure chukis. Después veo ese sedaría to extent. Moga to anyway. That's how I started. I was like, if I cannot find one, then I'll be one. I can be one. But if we should have so it's not too Mogoratsu.
Oi.
Way at that 2:42. That's how I started. I just took a photo of myself. The lighting. Thank you guys for watching my video. Honestly, me reyes up karus up by the video. Eu só curo capare que ira reputeiro putira reputerecita.
Oh my god! Wow! Oh my god!
But at this point, I don't care anymore. I just want to do what I love to do. Record myself talking and eating and post it here. Hope you guys like it. We're about to go home. We're almost home. Oh, and one thing about January, when like I go somewhere without her. And when I come back home, ekarop. Ikaw akan niwingiri wemnari we karoporo. Gusto niya ba ka hide and seek niya po isip tutay kawawa. Mayor akala good hiding spot. Pero kwas gusto siya tawari pura. Akawasen Papa Garasi Fikura. Yo puede panorin niya pa yo. What? My camera is full because it's to make it out by record meeting. Oh, Sarah. Yo puede chequear. Bye to in the next video. I hope you guys like this video. Give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Raka. January, where are you? January, where are you? January. We're vlogging. They can see you.
Who's that?
Huh?
Who's that?
YouTube. Ito po ba yun? Ito ang hotdog. Iharap ko na ito.
Mama? Mama?
Kasi ma.
I put it.
What? You cut it? Here, get up. Mustard. Come, January.
Look, I have to open it.
Kuha nga rin ito, sururong mo. Have a bite. You like it? Okay.
Let me open
There's
this
chocolate
first.
inside.
Can you try?
Ayaw. I bought satin.
What? Ew.
Ew. Meramet. Meramet. Bawa po meramet.
I do like it. It's a fish satin.
Yeah, satin is fish. Sunflower. And I got some nipa. Straight out
I
of
don't like nipa. I don't like nipa.
bura.
I don't like. I just like chocolate.
Satin nipa. Okay guys. Nakapong kay Bibet Janeri. Bye bye.
Mommy, stay watching our video.
Keep watching our video. Comment,
Watch our
subscribe
video.
our channel.
No, watch our
Comment.
video.
Watch our video, please. And give this video a big thumbs up. Right, January?
And give this video big thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Chocolate. That wing chocolate on it.
Okay, bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
And then, thanks for watching, and then watch our video, and then we will watch our video next time. Bye.